So here is my compressor setup. I got it hooked up to my 7 litre bottle. I have the original filter that comes with it when you purchase it, and I have a second filter which I purchased as well just to go after it. I have the pump running into a bucket. Now because it's winter I had loads of ice lying around the garden, so I've thrown a load of ice in there to help keep the temperature down. Bottles got about, let's check what pressure's in the bottle. I'm not too bad, I'm at about 260 bar. So I'm going to fill this bottle up. The temperature on the actual reading is really low at the minute because of how cold I'm running the water. So I'm just going to turn it on and get it all up and running. I'll just open that valve up fully. Saves having to build the pressure up, so I'll build it up anyway. And that was really just so I could show what pressure it had in. And we'll get it turned on. As you can see, it's a little bit of noise from it, but not too much. I'm probably going to be okay. And it'll probably just take me from there, well not too long, probably about 5-10 minutes just to fill up. And that's my third fill this now. And it's a really simple setup and really cheap and affordable. I pay about £150 for everything, obviously not including the bottle, but for the pump and the extra filter, etc. Get loads of extra filters for going inside to change them. One thing I have been doing that was recommended to me is every couple of minutes I just stop it and I open the valve there just to let a bit of moisture out so it doesn't build up. And so far I've had no moisture get past the first cold. The black one has stayed perfectly dry every time so far, so all seems to be running well and good. So I'll see about putting some links into the description from what I've purchased. And as I say, it seems to be running absolutely spot on.